Hello, we are Team 12 and our project is FIRBot. I am Arjun Joshi, he is Prashant Booth and he is Manish Patidar. And first we will give an introduction for our robot. So the basic concept of our robot is the first information report bot. So the main idea behind the project is to detect any gunshot in the vicinity of the system and to capture the image of the person who fired the gunshot. So what our system implements is that we have a grid of arrays in a square pattern, and if a gunshot comes from any direction, then the bot will triangulate the position from where the sound has arrived, and then it will capture the image of the person and upload it to the PC. So that is the basic idea of our project. So this is the basic setup of our project. These wires are connected to the sensors, which are connected in a square pattern. This is connected via an amplifier to our controller, that is the DSPIC controller. This DSPIC controller implements the filter to filter out the sound of our interest. This is the toy gun which we have used to simulate a real-time gunshot. The sound of this, the frequency of this toy gun has been simulated in MATLAB, and the filter has been implemented in DSPIC. After filtering the output is sent over to the Firebird bot. When the Firebird triangulates the position, then it will move by a certain angle in the direction of the sound and send a command via the Zigbee module here to the MATLAB code running on the PC, which will then display the image. So my partner there will fire a gunshot and the bot will move in his direction. So this was the demo for our project. We would also like to point out the various challenges we faced during this project. First of all was configuring the DSPIC controller, which is a very complex controller, and it required quite an effort to configure the ADCs for simultaneous 4-channel sampling. Also, the most important part of our project is the sensors. Since the sensitivity of all the sensors are different and we are testing it in a closed room, there is an echo problem, and it creates a problem with when the sensors pick up the data. So this error has to be corrected if there is some future work to be incorporated in this project.